Today in this video, I am going to show you two indicators that find the exact tops and the bottoms in the market. Okay, the first one that I'm going to talk about the main indicator that is called the market turning points. And this indicator is listed on our website fxmentorus.com. If you go to the indicator section, this is the first indicator that is listed on our website. Okay, and the second, I will talk about the scalp edge indicator, and the third number, this is also listed on our website. So please find all details about it on our website. Okay, so these indicators are separate. Okay, so you can buy the lifetime version of these indicators by contacting on Telegram. So let me tell you that how these indicators are very effective in your trading. Okay, so those students who already have the scalp edge indicator and they don't have the market turning points indicator, they can also watch this video because this is going to benefit everyone. Okay, so first of all, look, we have the buy signal, boom signal from the on Euro USD 15 minute from the scalp edge indicator. Then we have verified this signal from the level that is created on the 15 minute. And if you don't know about the market turning points, this basically draws the level in real time. On the second candle, the level get fixed, and then we can set up the stop loss below that level and we can go for the right. And you can see this is the excellent ride that it has given on Euro USD already. Now just look at this. So this is kind of a double confirmation that the crash plus the sell opportunity. So if you are getting the both signals, like the sell opportunity level from the market turning points, and you get a crash signal, it means that the price can reverse from that area. Now I'm going to show you the other signals, that how it's working, because we are not going to give a grass to all signals. Okay, here we have the boom signal, but you must know that the price was near to the sell opportunity level and it was rejected. And then the crash signal, after the crash signal, you can see the price was way down, and this becomes our actual trade. Okay, similarly, if we have a look on that signal, that was the crash signal from the look at this, another one, the crash signal from the market turning points on 15-minute pound USD plus the sell opportunity, and the price is down. Okay, so here we will not take that trade because the price can first possibly come to the buy opportunity. So the both conditions should meet, and then, because if you have one confirmation, this will not work. Okay, now just look at this. This is the live trade that is running. This is the live market. This is not a predefined chart. Okay, the buy opportunity on USD CHF plus the scalp edge, both are giving you the buy. Now you can go for that trade. And if same thing, that if you look previously, the crash signal plus after on the second candle the sell opportunity, just look at that down right. Okay, so this is how this indicator works. Okay, now look at this. Now the sell opportunity was before that crash, and then just look at the right. Okay, so if you are going to use the both confirmations, then they are very helpful. Now just look at the boom signal. The boom signal came, just wait for the market turning points to give you the buy opportunity. The price was reversed, it has provided you a buy opportunity, and then look at the right in the upward direction. So use it with the general common sense. That is why my indicator needs a common sense. For example, the boom is coming exactly at the sell opportunity level. No need to take that one. Instead, wait for the price to give you a crash signal and then see the price is down. Now this indicator works very well on crypto, forex, stocks, whatever you trade, it works very well. And you can book the lifetime version of this indicator by contacting on Telegram. The link is in the description of this video, and you can also email us. Now just look at this one. Boom signal, the market on Bank Nifty, and you got a buy signal, then buy opportunity level, and then see where the price stands. Okay, so you can use this on any time frame, but I just recommend to go with the like 15-minute. That's much better. Okay, for example, that was the boom on US 30. No need to take that boom. Okay, now if we get a crash signal, then we can go for that. I can also see of how it's performing on Bitcoin. Okay, now just look at it. Crash signal, but the market turning points indicator has the buy opportunity level. It means that you don't need to trade that signal. Okay, and if we go back, then look, this is the very good confirmation, crash plus selling opportunity from the market turning points, and then see the ride. Okay, so similarly, you can use this indicator even on the 5-minute time frame. Let me see, and let's go to any pair where we, okay, now just look at there, crash signal, the confirmation from the market turning points indicator, sell opportunity, and then see at the price. Okay, so this is how this indicator works. And if you want to book the lifetime version of these powerful both indicators or one indicator, then you can contact on Telegram. The links are provided on the description of this video below. Thank you very much.